Hey everybody, Scott Carson here. I'm actually standing inside the Rosedale Avenue in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Reverse mortgage, non-performing note, pre-foreclosure. Property is actually, to give you an idea, is pre-judgment. It's based on the status. Due date's January of 2024, but the property has been vacant longer than that, until then 2 years. Currently, unpaid balance is $138. Legal payoff is $152. They want about $140 for this property, which is pretty close to payoff. The BPO is at $180. Once you clean out and update it, you're basically breaking even on this. It's not bad bones. It needs some TLC, a little bit of cleanup. There's a hole in the concrete slab there. Looks like they replaced a water line with PEX, which is okay. It's been fixed. It just needs to be cleaned out, painted, and given some love, updated. Maybe a new roof, maybe a new deck. I don't know. It looks like it's okay. It's better than some of the other places we've seen. You know what I mean? So seller wants $140 on this. It all depends on what the ARV is. The as-is BPO says $180. If it's worth $250, maybe closer to $300, we'd pull some comps, see what kind of square footage is in the area here. It makes sense. This is not as heavy a rehab as the rest of the ones we see. It's paint, flooring, a little bit of fix here and there. The roof is the most probably pressing on that. The paint and carpet clean out is not that. The clean out is basically all cosmetic. It just needs some TLC. It's not been trashed out. Utilities look good. The power, all that stuff is here. The HVAC is here. It's an older unit outside, an old Ream unit, but it's still there. That's the thing. And then the HVAC inside here. So not bad in this one in Tulsa on Rosedale. It's a beautiful neighborhood, big trees, big lot. Definitely a big lot, probably about 3/4 of an acre. But if you're interested, reach out to me and we'll talk some more about this as we get going. Thanks.